Yo, what's up guys? CBR Tech Reviews here, back again with another video. And today I am unboxing my brand new OnePlus 7T. And this is the frosted silver model, 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. I originally bought the blue model, but figured I'd give it a change and do the silver. So let's start the unboxing. Let's see. Come on. I am using an iPhone 11 Pro Max to film this video. OnePlus. Here we go. What do we have in the box? We have our normal OnePlus clear case, a SIM ejection tool, and a warp charger. This is the warp charger 30T. Just let you guys see. Actually, it just says warp charge 30. Huh. Okay. Anyway, put that to the side. There you go, OnePlus 7T. Got this from the OnePlus website, $5.99. Only comes in one model. Power button, is there somewhere? Comes in one model, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. There we go. Everything looks the same as the OnePlus 7, really. This is just an iteration. There's our clicky volume down, clicky volume up. We have our alert slider, power button, USB-C. Got our speaker grill, SIM slot. There's that famous notch. Nothing on the front except for a mic here and the triple lens camera. Looks good. Good thing they included a clear case. Clear case is better than no case, so it gives me time to go find one on Amazon or something. Anyways, feels good in the hand. Slim. I got this. Want to test it out. I also have the OnePlus 7 Pro. OnePlus 7 Pro, I don't really care about the curves that much. That's why I got the 7T. I actually like the 6T and the 7, so I figured I like the 7T as well. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, give me a, leave me a comment. As always, please subscribe to my channel. I am new to YouTube. I am, just starting out making videos. Please hit a like, drop a comment, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I will see you next time.